If you think your hair is clean, but you're not using this product, it's probably not. On my hunt for looking for a silicone-free, sulfate-free shampoo, I discovered the Color Security Shampoo.
Color Security Shampoo.
Color Security Shampoo. And it's color wow. They can do no wrong in my book.
Other shampoos contain ingredients that stay behind on the hair and on the scalp.
Every time I would wash my hair, I never felt like it was fully clean. Mine was completely blown trying this out for the first time.
I just have noticed such a difference.
This is what clean hair feels like?
Not only is this shampoo great for colored hair, hence color security, but it is 100% clean. This is a really clean shampoo.
It also lathered up, which is something that I have never experienced with other 100% clean shampoos that I've used. And trust me, I have used a lot.
I don't need to wash my hair as much.
I can go so much longer in between my washes.
And this one, I was able to go an extra 2 days.
My hair is so much softer, smoother, silkier, cleaner. And now I'm able to go multiple days without washing my hair thanks to the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to go check it out.